Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get YouTube TV free trial. So first step you need to do is to search in any browser, that is YouTube TV, and you simply need to click on here. You can see that you need to open YouTube TV free trial. Okay, click on that and you need to open the website, that is YouTube TV. Click on that and here you can see that the best live TV streaming service overall, and here you can see that try it free. Click on that and you need to select your account. So I'm going to select this account for example, and you need to wait. Here you can see that it looks like you are outside of the United States. YouTube TV is only available in the US. So if you are in the US you can easily use stat, because I'm in other countries, so that's why this window will appear in front of me. But if you are from US, then you can easily get the free trial of YouTube TV and you can enjoy YouTube TV free trial. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.